Hey everybody, it's your boy, it's Sebastian GTC, and we're at Naperville. There's the water tower, and as you can see, I think I heard a train that's about to pass train tracks. And those things is right, you can see right there. Should go down the gate if you have seen one. Right now, we're being loaded, and there's a bunch of trucks over there. As you can see, we're waiting for a train to come. Comes every 30 minutes or so. So should be coming any soon. If you can see that blue button right there, blue thing or blue sign, that equals that. If you get stuck on the track, you could call that number and they'll do something about it if you get stuck on that train track. In time now, those things should be going to red. You can see that sign right there. It's gonna be some type of thing that tells you how far or how close the train is. Looks like we're gonna not see it because this guy is gonna be going into the dock. So, you know, this guy is going into the dock. Right now, the thing got shooken because we're being loaded. So right there, you can see we're being loaded. Right there is the sign you can see, and there's the trucks. Right there is going to be the crossing, but somebody got to block it. But we're going to see it earlier. Because look at this. You can see it's not on yet. So the train's still not coming. You can see it right there. I think I hear it. I don't know. I don't think it's on. Because I still see the gate in real life perspective, and it's still not going down. Yep, there it is right there. The gate's still right there. Look, watch. I'll show you. There's so much freaking iron ores on top. Oh man, this guy's not gonna get in that easily. So look, if I was here, I'm gonna get in, but you can't because there's a big open spot. You could, but if there's like 2 trailers or 1 trailer, you can get in there easily because there's only 1 space and it's small, so you can't make a large one. So yeah. So it's gonna be a little time. Right now it's like 10:30, and the train should be coming. Might as well see you in a little bit. Looks like we got a catcher over here, bros. There you go. Here's the sound. See that? They rumble. There it is. Into Model CN train. Look at that. Crazy. There it is, right there. Costco. Look at that. Man, we got a big one. Look at that. This is the big one right there. Boom. Passing. Look at that. Well, very fast. So it should be ended. Since it's only one engine. Or two engines actually. Flat cars on the menu. That's cool. CN trains. Right there. It's crazy. Big one right here. Oh, it ended. So, yeah, we got a big train. Look like we got ourselves a master one. Frick! Anyway, see you later. Bye.